The anticipation has concluded. Yamaha has confirmed the impending arrival of the R9, following years of speculation. Motorcycle.com, along with virtually every other motorcycle publication globally, has speculated on the features of the bike. Our own Dennis Chung disclosed insights derived from carb filings and social media teasers. However, we now have definitive information regarding the R9's offerings. Yamaha convened a private assembly of the US motorcycle media to unveil the new R9 and elucidate its details. With the R6 discontinued, Yamaha Sportbike enthusiasts have been seeking a replacement to bridge the gap between the R1 and the R6. However, the R7 does not fulfill this role. In terms of numerical nomenclature within a manufacturer's model lineup, a distinct gap existed between the R7 and the R1. Yamaha asserts that the R9 is not a substitute for the R6, as the R9 is designed with track performance in mind, while also prioritizing street suitability. Regardless of Yamaha's assertions, it is difficult to view the R9 as anything less than the spiritual successor to the R6, if not a genuine substitute. It is not a substitute for the R1, which is being transitioned to track-only status in certain markets, not ours, fortunately, at least not yet. With a succinct overview of Yamaha's perspective on the R9, let us delve into the details of one of the most eagerly awaited sport bikes of 2025. What more suitable starting point than its appearance? A glance at the R9 reveals distinct Yamaha design elements. The nose exhibits a form closely like that of the R6, and even the R3, including its LED light strips. At the center is what was formerly regarded as a ram air intake on the R6. Instead, there is a headlamp inspired by the R7, recessed into the depression. Examine beneath the headlights, and you will discover winglets. The R9 is loaded with features that are essential for contemporary sport bikes, and indeed, they serve a practical purpose. The fuel tank design resembles that of the R1, although the tail section, a novel design for the R9, appears to be influenced by the R6. Yamaha asserts that the R9 is the most aerodynamic model it has ever produced. The R9 achieves an ergonomic equilibrium between the track-oriented R1 and the more street-friendly R7.